Hey, this is Eugene from iDesign. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will create this beautiful shape. It's a player concept that I found on Pinterest. The reference link is in the description. So let's get started. Let's create our new shape and scene by pressing Ctrl N, and we're deleting our default cube by pressing X on our keyboard. Let's go to top view by pressing 7 on the numpad. We're gonna use a corner rectangle tool. Press C, then press tab 3, tab again and 3, enter to confirm our size 3 by 3. Something like that. Go to control point mode by pressing 1, select all points, and let's give our rectangle nice rounded corners. Press B and drag it up. Go to face mode by pressing 3. Go to front view by pressing 1 on our numpad, and let's extrude it to get this beautiful shape. Yes, we got something like that. Press OK to confirm. Yes, beautiful. Look at this shape. Now we're going to create our USB-C port. Go to front view by pressing 1 on our numpad. Let's create a center circle. Press G to move it to the left. We mirror it by pressing Alt X. OK, or enter to confirm. Shift A to create a line. Make sure we're snapping it like that and it's tangent, because otherwise we won't be able to join our curves, cut our shape, or unprint it. Press T to trim unnecessary parts. Yes, we got something like that. Select our curves and press J to join them. So we need to join them, okay? Press J to join them. Go to edge mode or press 2, select our curve, go to front view and press Shift I, click our shape, press OK or enter to confirm it, hide our curve. We've got this curve imprinted on our main shape. Go to face mode by pressing 3, we extrude it like that. Somewhere here. Go to edge mode and let's give it a nice chamfer. Then choose two edges and give them nice fillets. Yeah, beautiful. Look at this shape. Beautiful. Let's go to front view. We're using the corner rectangle tool again. Snap it to the middle, press C, and we're making the inner part of our USB-C port. Something like that. Go to face mode and extrude it inside. Yes, beautiful. Hide our rectangle. Press 4 or choose sheet and solid mode. Click our rectangle, press the dot on our numpad to isolate our mesh. Go to the edge mode, select these edges, and give them nice fillets. Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Press dot again to get our mesh back to the scene. Oh my god, look at this shape. I like it, guys. We can drag it inside a little bit by pressing 3 or choosing the face mode. Perfect. What are we gonna do next? We're gonna create mics or small dynamics. Choose a center circle tool and snap to the middle. Press G to move it along the x-axis. Drag it out a little bit by pressing y-axis. By the y-axis, go to front view and we're going to use the rectangular array tool. It's located down here. Go to the edge mode, select our circle, and use the rectangular array tool. We need 5 of them. Press enter to numpad to confirm the number. And we're gonna play them like that. Let's mirror them by pressing Alt X and clicking Okay, and clicking by the x-axis, select all the circles. We're going to imprint them. Perfect. Go to front view, Shift I, click our mesh, press OK or Enter to confirm. Now we can delete all the circles, we don't need them anymore. Go to face mode, press 3, select our imprinted circles and drag them inside. Something like that. Beautiful. Press OK or Enter. Go to edge mode, select our edges and give nice fillets. Select all the edges and give nice fillets. Perfect. Amazing. Now we're going to create some kind of switcher. Go to left side by pressing Ctrl 3 or our numpad. Okay, let's zoom in, choose a center circle, snap it to the middle of our mesh, of our edge, move it by y-axis, Shift D to duplicate our circle, place it somewhere here, Shift A to create our line, make sure to snap it like that and make it tangent, same to the bottom line. We need to trim unnecessary parts by pressing T and click in, select all our lines, press J to join them, Shift I to imprint it, click our mesh, press OK or Enter to confirm, hide our curve. Go to face mode, extrude it inside, probably not so deep. Go to the edge mode, give it a nice fillet. Press OK. Go to the left view by pressing Ctrl 3 on the numpad. Choose a center circle, snap it to the middle like that. Shift D to duplicate and move it to the left side. Okay, select a line tool by pressing Shift A or on a side panel. Make sure we snap like that and make those lines tangent again. We're removing unnecessary parts by pressing T or choosing the trim tool on our side panel. OK to confirm. Select these curves and press J to join them. Then go to face mode and extrude it inside, something like that. Press OK or Enter to confirm. Hide our curve. Maybe let's make our shape a little bit bigger. Yes, go to the edge mode on our top panel or by pressing 2, select our edges and give the shape a nice fillet. Look at this beautiful shape. Maybe, yeah, let's maybe make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, don't forget to add nice fillet inside too, just in case you want to render it close up. Yes, something like that. Go to top view by pressing 7 on our numpad. Select a corner rectangle tool. Snap it to the middle. Press C to center it. And make something like that. We're gonna create some kind of screen. Move it by pressing GG. Place it right here. Let's make nice rounded corners. Make it a little bit probably bigger by pressing SS. Move it as you like. Select our rectangle. Shift I to imprint it. Click our shape. OK. Enter OK or Enter to confirm. Let's hide a rectangle, go to face mode, extrude it down and press OK to confirm. Go to the edge mode and give it a fillet. Then we need a rectangle again. We hover our mouse holding Alt and clicking. Select our inner rectangle, Shift D to duplicate it, press OK or Enter to confirm. Go to face mode and extrude it like that, press OK, go to edge mode and give a nice fillet as usual. Mm-hmm. Something like that. Mm-hmm. We are almost done, guys. Look at this shape. Now let's create our buttons. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Now let's create our buttons. Go to top view. Select our corner rectangle tool, snap it to the middle and create something like that. Move it here. Give nice rounded corner by pressing B. Drag it up a little bit. Press OK to confirm. Yeah, maybe make it bigger and reposition it. Shift D to duplicate it, move it to the right side. Select them both by clicking and holding Shift. We're gonna offset them by pressing O. Drag it inside, press OK to confirm. Hide our inner rectangles. We're gonna use them shortly. And again, we're gonna use the imprint tool. Select both rectangles, Shift A, click our mesh. Shift I, click our mesh, press OK or Enter to confirm. Now go to face mode by pressing 3 or clicking our top panel. Select both our faces by clicking and holding Shift. Then drag them up. Okay, something like that. Press OK. Press OK. We're creating some kind of small platforms for our buttons. Go to the edge mode, click one of the edges on both sides and give nice fillets. And here too at the bottom, press OK. Okay, looks nice. Unhide two inner rectangles. Select them and move them up by pressing G. Let's use our front view to make our buttons not too big. Okay, press OK. Go to face mode, select them both by clicking and holding Shift and extrude them down. Press OK. Hide our curves. We don't need them. Go to edge mode, select one of the edges on both sides by clicking and holding Shift and give nice fillets. Press OK. Guys, I love the result we got. Beautiful shaped, beautifully shaped mesh, beautiful shape, perfect. Now let's create text. Go to top view, press OK. Yes. OK. Press F to search our tool and type text. Select the tool, remove plasticity and type in MX15 or anything you like. It's up to you. Let's make our text not too big. Set 0.16, press OK or Enter to confirm. Move the text here by pressing JGG. Then move it up, press G and drag it up. Press OK to confirm. Perfect. Go to face mode. Select our letters by clicking them and holding Shift one by one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hold Shift and click each and every letter. Numbers. Extrude down. To see how deep into the mesh, press Alt Z and adjust like that. Yes, something like that. Press OK. Delete our letters or hide them. Go to top view, sheet and solid mode or press 4. Click our mesh. Select our letters by holding Shift and dragging our mouse from left to right. Press Q to boolean our letters. They turn red, press OK to confirm. Let's look at what we got. That's what we needed. Go to edge mode, select each edge one by one by clicking and holding Shift. We have to do this to make our text look good. and more noticeable. Give each letter a fillet, and we're going to do it for each letter one by one. Unfortunately, there is no other way here to yes, we're just selecting one by one, and we have to do it for every letter, guys. Unfortunately, I would love to make this process easier for you, but it is what it is. Okay. Yes. Something like that. Beautiful. Press OK. The numbers 1 and 5. One by one. By holding Shift and clicking. OK. And letter 5. Here, here, here. Yes. Yes. Okay. Here. Perfect. There is nice looking text and fillets. Let's look at it. Beautiful, beautiful mesh. Absolutely stunning. Let's select our edges on top and bottom and give nice fillets too. Okay, press OK to confirm. Something like that. Go to top view, and we need to separate our main mesh and create a frame, so you'll be able to apply separate materials on both the frame and the main body shape. In the edge mode, hover the mouse on one of the inner edges, holding Alt and clicking, select everything, Shift D to duplicate it, press O to offset it and make it smaller, press OK. Delete the bigger one. Select our curve, press C to cut our mesh, press OK or enter to confirm. Hide our curve, and now we've separated our main body and we created a frame. Now we need to give nice fillets so we may see the difference between main body and the frame. Select both our edges by dragging our mouse from left to the right and give nice fillets. Make sure we've done it on top and bottom parts. Beautiful. Now we've created a frame, and guys, we are done. Congrats on your first model made in Plasticity. Now you can export to Blender. I prefer to use Blender Bridge. It's an easy way to export in one click. Or you can use Cinema 4D or Redshift or Octane Render to texture and render this beautiful shape. So see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.